and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about part 1 of the IELTS speaking test. As we know that there are 3 broad topics that are asked in this test, this part of the test comes after you have submitted your identification documents to the examiner. You are then asked 12 to 15 questions on three broad topics that can be about your habits, about your choices and experiences, etc. So out of those topics, one of the very general topics that comes in the exam can be music. We here in this video are going to look at different question types that can be asked, and then we'll look at how we can answer such questions. What are the different ways of answering those questions? So let's here look at the first question. Do you like to listen to music? This question, first of all, is in the present tense. So your answer should be in accordance to that. Do you like to listen to music? So you will answer in first a yes or no and then begin to take on your answer. Another thing to remember here in answering part 1 questions is that the more you rephrase the question, the more synonyms that you used, which are of the words that have been given to you in the questions, the better it is for your band score. And also, the better it is if you do not give vague answers. So the answer has to be in accordance with the question. That also goes because one of the 4 marking criteria, as we know, is coherence for the exam. Coherence means that the answer has to be relative to the question. If you're too vague about the question, or if you're too vague about answering the question, it could be a negative point for your band score. Let's look at the second question now. What kind of music do you listen to? Here, what kind of means you have to give a type. You can also use the word genre here. So, you can say that I like to listen to or I hear soft rock music the most. Next, when do you listen to it? The word when here indicates that they're asking about a time period. So, you can say that I listen to music while I take a walk in the park, or I listen to music when I'm riding on my way back home. Next, who is your favorite musician or band? Who indicates that you have to name a person or a band who is your favorite, that is your favorite. So you can answer in terms of these words like, my favorite musician or the musician I like best is ABC. Then comes the question of why. You have to give a reason to this answer. The question here is, why do you like that musician or band? In this question, you have to give a reason to why that band or musician is very likable. So you can answer in terms of these words like, I like this musician or band because their music is very unique. Also remember that when you answer these questions, the answer should not be very short or in just one word. You have to explain your answers in at least 2 to 3 lines so that it is clear to the examiner that you have understood the question and can answer relatively. Next question is, did you? Now this question is clearly in the past tense. The question says, did you hear the same type of music as a child? So they're asking about a time in your past if you heard the same kind of music as a child. So you can either answer in a yes or no. That yes, I heard the same kind of music even when I was a child. Or no, I used to listen to nursery rhymes only when I was a child. And you can extend the answer further. The next question is, which device do you use to listen to music? Now, which indicates that you have to tell the type of device you listen to music to. You can give answers like, I listen to music on an iPod, or I hear music at a stereo, or I listen to music through my earphones. And we can extend the answer further. The next question is, do you prefer them? So here, clearly, you're being asked about your preferences or your likings related to a certain thing. The question says, do you prefer rock music or soft music? Now you have to choose from one of the options that has been given to you, or if these are not your choices, you can take a third choice as well. So, for example, one of these is your choice. You will say, I prefer rock music more than any other genre of music.